In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to insert video in PPT. Adding videos inside PPT can give your slide a very professional look, and to do that, we need to go to the slide where we want to add a video. So I want to add video inside this slide. I need to select it and then go to the insert tab from this ribbon. Under it, we need to click on video option. Now if you click on this drop down arrow, then you will see three options here. If you have a video on your computer or laptop, then select the first option and then you can choose the video from your computer. But if you have an online video which is hosted on any online video platform, then for that click on online video option. So firstly we'll look at this option, and when you click on it, then it will open this window. On this window, we need to paste the URL of the video which you wanna insert. So I have a YouTube video. I need to go to Chrome, and from here take the URL. Press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy this URL. Now go back to your PowerPoint slide and paste the URL here like so. And now you can see the video has been added here. Just click on insert from the bottom and then the video will be inserted on your slide. We just need to wait a bit. And now you can see the video has been inserted. If you want to resize it, then for that drag the corners like this and place it where you want to place it to. So I want to place it here. So this is the online video method. Now I'll show you what the second method is. For that we need to get rid of this. Select the video and then hit delete key on your keyboard to get rid of it. Now go back to the insert tab. Under it, go to videos. Now I'm gonna select this device option. Now from here we need to go to the file path where our video has been stored. So this is the video. I need to select it, then click on insert. Now the video will be added on my PPT and I can place it where I want it to be. And you can play the video from here. If you want to adjust the sound levels, then you can do that from here too. In case you want to add some effects on your video, then for that select your video, then go to the video format. And here you will see different types of effects. So let's go with this shadow rectangle effect. And in case you want to put your video inside any of the shape like circle, triangle, then for that select your video. Under video format, we need to click on video shape, and from here you can choose any of the shape. So let's go with this rounded corner shape, and you can round the corners like you want. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.